Hello folks, welcome back to our channel. I'm your host for today and we're about to dive into another exciting digital adventure. Today we're going to unlock a world of design potential. That's right, we're exploring how to get Canva Pro for free. But before we start, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing and gives you access to all the awesome content we put out every week. Let's get started. A Canva Pro account is a transformative tool for your design experience, boosting your creative capabilities. It's not just about added features, it's about enhancing efficiency, expanding options, and empowering your creative vision. With Canva Pro, you gain access to an extensive range of premium templates, saving you time while guaranteeing professional-grade designs. The Magic Resize tool is a game-changer, offering an effortless adaptation of your designs across various platforms. The background remover allows for focused, clean designs, emphasizing your subjects. Canva Pro also offers superior customization, ensuring your designs truly embody your unique style. Moreover, organization and support are top-notch. With expanded storage and folders, managing your designs becomes a breeze. And you'll enjoy priority customer support, ensuring a seamless design experience. One of the easiest ways to get Canva Pro for free is to take advantage of their 30-day free trial. Canva offers a generous 30-day trial period, wherein you can explore and exploit the full suite of Canva Pro features. To sign up for this, head on over to the Canva Pro website. There you'll find a button that says Start Your Free Pro Trial. Click it. You'll be asked to enter your email address and create a password to set up your account. You've just unlocked 30 days of free access to all the premium features of Canva Pro. But remember, you'll need a credit card for this, and you've got to cancel before the trial ends to avoid charges. So get ready to mark that calendar and let's design away. It's a sweet deal, but what if you want more? As the saying goes, sharing is caring, and in the case of Canva, it could also mean extended access to Canva Pro. Canva's referral program provides an exciting avenue to prolong your Canva Pro experience. For each friend you invite who joins Canva, you receive credit toward your Canva Pro account. The more you share, the more you gain. It's a win-win, both for you and your creative circle. The journey to getting Canva Pro for free doesn't end with the trial or referral program. As a design enthusiast, it pays to be observant. Regularly check Canva's social media channels, website, and newsletters. These platforms often announce discounts, promotions, or contests where you can win a free Canva Pro subscription. Cultivating this habit of being a smart, savvy user could turn out to be your ticket to landing Canva Pro for free. Education and Canva are intertwined. Canva firmly acknowledges the value of education, especially for primary and secondary school teachers and students, and offers them access to Canva Pro. To benefit from this, you will need a valid.edu email address. These are usually provided by your school or other educational institutions, ensuring your credentials are recognized for the program. Once you have a valid educational domain email address, the next step is to apply for the Canva Pro Education program. This initiative is tailored specifically for K-12 teachers, school librarians, learning support assistants, curriculum specialists, and even educators certified by Google and Microsoft who are currently in teaching positions. Higher education institutions and professors are not currently allowed to use it. To apply, simply sign up to Canva using your educational email address. Once your credentials are verified and approved by the Canva team, you will receive a verification code. This gives you access to the resources of Canva Pro free of charge, opening a world of creativity for your educational needs. And there you have it, all the ways you can get Canva Pro for free. Now, go forth and design like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop with all the latest tips and tricks in the digital world. Until next time, keep designing, keep innovating. Cheers!